Hello, my name is Hilda Gloria. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video where I'm going to be talking to you about one of Italy's most generous and prestigious scholarships, the MAECI Scholarship 2024-2025. Now the call is out and I just wanted to tell you about the benefits. The total amount of money or the grant for this particular scholarship is 9,000 euros. A lordo, which is like gross, which is, let's say, 1,000 euros monthly for 9 months. It caters for your tuition fees and your medical insurance. Now, who is eligible? It is only limited to masters and doctoral programs, which are PhDs, and if you are applying to a master's degree, you should already have an admission letter and you should be below 28 years, and for PhD you should be below 30 years of age. Now the requirements: you should have an academic transcript, you should have a motivation letter, a CV, an admission letter, and of course supporting documents such as recommendations. It is highly recommended by me. The first thing that you need to do is to first of all search for it on Google, and then you will click on the first one and scroll through the page. It will take you to the application portal, and of course if you want you can read through, but obviously at the end of the page you will see that it is already published and the deadline is the 14th of June 2024, which is in a month's time. So do not waste your time, quickly run to the website and go ahead and apply. Now once you scroll, you will see the call for applications, that is in English, and then the list of eligible countries. It is important that you check if your country is eligible. I'm very happy because Uganda this time is on the list, and so very many of my candidates will be able to apply, and they've also included other, or they've increased the number of countries that are eligible, which I think it is fair. Even though the stipend has gone down this particular year. So you look through and see if your country is eligible and then go ahead and apply. Now the first step, once you see that you qualify, is obviously to register. Go read the call for applications. That is where you're going to find all the information about where to register, the platform to register, how much it is, the eligibility criteria, which study programs and which levels are being sponsored, the requirements. Obviously you need English. They are sponsoring master's degrees. You need an English proficiency if you're going to do a master's or a PhD in English, and if it's in Italian you need to do a language exam in Italian and you have to have the certificate. Of course, the level is level B2 in English and level B2 also in Italian. Now once you scroll down, it gives you information about how it's renewed. It's a 1 year or 9 months kind of scholarship, and the deposit is made in 3 installments. One once you've arrived at the end of October, another one in February, another one in in April. It is renewed every single year, so if you qualify it's for only 1 year, and then you must pass the exams to get to the next to get it the next year. It covers for your health and medical insurance. This page is very helpful, but I am basically just looking for the link that takes me to the application portal. But I think it's very important that you read through and see if you qualify, or see if it is something that could work for you. Now let's scroll to see who is incompatible, people that cannot apply. Of course, if you have already qualified for another scholarship this academic year, you cannot qualify for this particular one. And of course the IRE grants of countries that are listed, just go ahead and read about them. Let's scroll back to what is most important, the application portal. It is called www.studyinitaly.esteri.it. It looks like that, and the first thing that you need to do is to register. Once you scroll down, you'll see the call at the bottom of the page, and in the top right corner you'll see register, where you have to write your name, register on this portal, put your name, surname and all your biodata. Make sure it is the same as what you use for pre-enrollment, and of course application, just so that when you're not disqualified, fill in your birthday. Make sure that you are born before the you are not 28 by the deadline, because this is the criteria. And at the bottom of the page you are going to see a page that says next. Then you're going to put in your documents. They'll ask you, and of course for me it is a passport. Put in the passport number, when was it issued, the date of expiry, and all of that. It was of course issued by the government of Uganda. Make sure that you check your passport number and make sure that you've written it correctly, and the expiry date, as it is part of your ID. We don't want you to make any mistakes, as this could lead to disqualification of your application. So look through and fill in everything correctly. If you need any help, obviously you can always ask me, and if you've reached this far, please hit the subscribe button so that you can benefit from more videos that are upcoming about studying Italy and life in Italy in general. So down there you are going to click on next, and they will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, and of course choose a username, choose an email address. It's very important to use an email address that you used for pre-enrollment, and one that is active, that you check often. So I'll just choose one of mine that I just choose to try, which is testhilda@gmail.com, and of course the password is there. Make sure that you choose a password, of course, that is safe. That's not very easy to find. And of course choose a username and click on next, and it is going to send you an email that shows that you have registered, and in that email they're going to send you a one-time password that you are going to need to log into the platform. So this is the login page, of course. Username as you saved, I hope that you saved them in a safe place, and the password, and then just click on login when you're ready, and it is going to take you to the scholarship application portal. I have put in the name, of course, for privacy reasons. I don't want my candidate's name to be showed. Go to your email. You're going to find a one-time password that they sent you, the email of course that you used to register, and then you plug it in and you will be given access to the platform. And there you go. The first page of course has got it has got your details. Scroll down if you're curious and all of that, and there's going to be in the corner, you're going to find a page that says not even a page but like a button that says my application on this platform. So you're going to scroll through, and of course, do you see where it says my application, top right corner, and then scroll down, you're going to see where it says my application, and it will give you a chance to create your application. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment, because I've made this really easy and it's only going to be 10 minutes. So definitely you scroll up. On the first page you're going to see your details, and then on the next page you're going to choose what level you're going to be studying. Is a master's degree. For my case it is a master's degree, and then the name of the university. This particular candidate that I am helping has an admission from the University of Cassino and Southern Lazio, which is in Rome, like the south of Italy. And of course you fill in the course name. If you don't know these things, they are in your admission letter. Go ahead and check it out and make sure that you are writing everything like it is. So she's doing a master's program in economics and entrepreneurship, and obviously I don't know the name of the city where she's going to study, the exact name, so don't be shy, use Google. I used Google to check the city where this particular university is located and I found out that it is located in a very interesting city called Cassino, which is in the southern part of Italy, very close to Rome. It is a good university. I've looked at the ranking and the alumni study programs and all of that, and everything seems pretty cool. I have never been, but I have seen and read online that it's a wonderful university. So the city is Cassino. I have confirmed. I will go back and fill it in, Cassino, and then obviously down, once you scroll, there is a chance for you to choose the language in which the course is going to be, which is English. So I saved it as a draft so that I don't have to lose any data. And then you have got the chance, if you don't have the time to complete it right away, you have the chance to come back to it. Obviously it's going to take you through all the pages, and you'll just click next as your data is all saved. So let's go to the last page. It's pretty easy and pretty fast, to be honest. If you have all the requirements, as you can see, you need a CV, you need your title, your degree, your diploma, you need a transcript of records, you need language certification, either IELTS or a letter that shows that you qualified for your bachelor's degree in English, or a language proficiency letter from your university, basically. And then you need a motivation letter, which is different. Motivational letter should be different from the one that you wrote. Of course, this is for a scholarship. It should highlight your needs for financial aid, in my opinion. And if you're curious, you can look through the portal and then see that it also provides you a chance to fill in your application in Italian. If you don't understand the words properly in English, you can use Italian, and then you've got, of course, to accept the terms and conditions and next. And that's pretty much it. You receive an email that you have applied, and they will let you know about the next steps. If you need help with your study program application, scholarship application, let me know. If you want to study in Europe but you don't know where to start, we have got a service that helps you with all of this. If you need advice or if you need help with your study visa application, we have got a service called Study Visa Advisory that helps you with that. If you want to know what life is like as an international student in Italy, you can book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'll be happy to take you through that, the initial costs of what you need as a student preparing to come to Italy and all of that. Share this video with your friends, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what kind of video you would like me to film next, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. My name's Hilda. Bye everybody.